सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। ॐ श्लोका नंबर 301। यो वा पुरे सोऽहमिति प्रतीतः बुद्ध्या प्रक्लुप्तस्तमसातिमूढया बुद्ध्या प्रक्लुप्तस्तमसातिमूढया तस्यैव निःशेषतया विनाशे ब्रह्मात्मभावः प्रतिबन्धशून्यः Shankaracharya continuing the topic of Nididhyasanam. In that Nididhyasanam, the biggest obstacle is ahankara. I am this body, I am the doer. This ahankara is the problem that which will not allow the person to own up the real nature, Atma. Therefore, the Vedantic student has to make the ahankara insignificant. The Vedantic student has to make the ahankara insignificant. Why? Because no one can destroy ahankara totally. I cannot destroy ahankara totally. It is impossible. For even general regular transactions, I have to entertain ahankara. Even to eat food also, I am is required. That ahankara is required. That aham mama, no one can totally eliminate. People think if I sit in meditation, samadhi, I can destroy ahankara and mamakara, I can forget everything. You can destroy or eliminate how much time? How many hours? How many days? That ahankara, mamakara is potentially sitting inside. It may come out at any time. That is the difference between Vedantic learning, teaching and other meditation practitioners, those who are doing. Therefore, ahankara, mamakara, this tadatmya sambandha, aham iti tadatmya sambandha, direct relation is this ahankara. Indirect relation is mamakara. Sambandha is tadatma sambandha, one, and the second is parampara sambandha. Tadatmya sambandha means that which is called ahankara. That is aham. Ahankara is the tadatmya sambandha. Then once aham comes only, parampara sambandha will come. Mama, mama, mama. So that is called parampara sambandha, indirect relation. So once the person get married with that woman, no, tadatmya sambandha only with one woman, but nartanar, mamanar, mamiyar, enna sambandha? Parampara sambandha. Once you got married, that's all. You cannot avoid mamiyar, mamanar, vendan, husband mattume, mudiyuma. Similarly, once I marry with this ahankara, I am this body, mind complex, dominant. Naturally, mamakara spontaneously comes without asking you to come. You cannot accept only husband, not sister-in-law. I am not related to an. Hey, when you got married with my brother, I am becoming your sister-in-law. Similarly, ahankara, husband, mamakara, natanar, or mamiyar, mamanar. Vandadum, appadiye. So therefore, we have to make them insignificant means what? To our general interactions, for taking food, you need not maintain such a significant ahankara, not necessary. To play the role, daily routine work, you need not entertain predominant ahankara. Avashyame kadayadu. Saapidum ahamkara saapidroma. Naturally we eat, that's all. Is there any ahankara invoking? Invocation is there? Nothing. It is going on naturally. All our actions also, we have to see like that only. Any role we are playing, any time, just as food we are eating, it is natural to me. I take food. What ahankara I am entertaining? Nothing. Minimum transactional ahankara is sufficient to take food. Similarly, transactional ahankara is sufficient to play the mother role. Transactional ahankara is sufficient to play the father role. Idida therinjakanu namma. Transactional ahankara is sufficient to perform our duties. If I perform like that, I am a jnani. If not, with raga, dvesha, if I interact with the world, with my people, with likes and dislikes, I am a maha samsari, MS. Name so and so, MS, maha samsari. நல்ல சட்டிலான பாயிண்ட் எல்லாம் புரிஞ்சுக்கணும் இந்த மாதிரி. How to interact with the world. Objectively you have to function. That is why kevala ahankara will never exist. Understand? Kevala ahankara will never exist. நான் மட்டும்தான் இருக்கேன். Once the body comes, amma relation bound to come. Yes. Amma, appa. Amma, appa, tata, paati. So, kevala ahankaram kadiyave kadiyadu. Kandippa relations, vyavaharam undu. Vyavaharam stop panni, doors close panni, ulla ukkarave mudiyadu. Not necessary also. So, therefore, yaha pure saha ahamiti pratitaha. Whoever has got the pratiti, jnanam, pure on this deha, body. Shariratrayam vechukongale. Sthula shariram, sushma shariram, karana shariram. Aham iti bhavaha. Nan in the bodambuda anu bhavana. Buddhya praklupta tamasa ati mudhaya. Why this buddhi comes, this thought comes? I am this body. Why it comes? Because atimudhaya, because of delusion, extreme delusion. Atimudhaya, because of ignorance and artha. Why delusion comes? Moha, because of ignorance. Ajnana, atma ajnana. Deham ahamiti bhavana is what? Atma ajnana. Atma ajnanam. So tamasa prakluptahan. What buddhi here? I am this body. I am this mind. All problems are coming to me. These are all my children. First here ajnano, deha abhimano. And in the deha abhimano, innoru deham. Increase that problem. Idike problem. One deha abhimanatike problem. Once this deha abhimana is there, another deha abhimana comes automatically. So problem square. Number third, grandson. Problem triad. போதுமா? அப்படி இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆகிட்டே இருக்கும். பெரிய சம்சாரம், மகா சம்சாரம். ஸோ தஸ்ய ஏவை நிஷேஷதையா விநாசே. விநாசே சதி. த மோமெண்ட் யூ டெஸ்ட்ராய், விநாசம். How you destroy? Insignificant. Destroy என்ன? You cannot destroy totally. என்ன பசிக்குமே, 7 மணிக்கெல்லாம் வீட்டுக்கு போய் சாப்பாடு போடுங்கன்னு கேட்கணும், நீங்கள் சாப்பாடு பண்ணணும், நல்லா இன்ட்ராக்ஷன் பண்ணி தான் ஆகணும். விநாசே வாட்? தஸ்ய தஸ்ய தேஹ அகம் இத்தி அபிமானம், தட் அகங்கார, சச் அகங்கார நிஷேஷதையா, ஃப்ரம் த ரூட், சேஷம் இல்லாமலே. I have to destroy. After destroying, what to do? என்ன பண்ணணும் சுவாமி? ஒன்றும் தெரியல. என்ன ஒன்றும் தெரியும்? என்ன? பிரம்மாத்ம பாவா பிரதிபந்த சூன்யா. You will get the aham brahma iti bhava. Bhava means thought. You entertain the thought, this I, the Atma, individual Atma, is Brahman. Brahma Atma Bhava. Brahma Atma Bhava will take place. That alone is Pratibandha Shunya. That alone is obstacle-free knowledge. Ahankara Rahita Jnanam alone is the complete knowledge. Therefore, a jnani also is between us only, performing like us only, but you cannot see outside any change. But inside, that jnani is enjoying that Atma Swarupam, Aham Brahma Asmi. It's like a lotus leaf. Jnani is in the society like a lotus leaf. Padma Patram iva ambhasa. Therefore, ஞானம் வந்த உடனே ஆறா வரத பல பல பலன தேஜஸ்வரம் ஒன்றும் கிடையாது. இதெல்லாம் சும்மா சொல்கிறான். பாருங்க அவள எவ்வளோ ஞானம் இருக்கு. என்ன ஞானம் வெளியில் தெரியுமா? என்ன ஃப்ளஷ்ஷு, பிளட்டு, போன்ஸ் தான். ஆல் ராங் நோஷன்ஸ் பீப்புள் ஆர் ஸ்ப்ரெடிங் அன்னெசரிலி, கன்ஃபியூசிங். அவர் நடக்கும்போது ஒரு பிரகாசம் வருதுடா. எங்கேருந்து வரும் பிரகாசம்? மலபாண்டம், வாக்கிங். And making people know, already deluded people. அவர் வந்த உடனே அப்படியே ஹாலில் பிரகாசம் வந்தாச்சுடா. அங்கே வரல, இங்கே ஏதோ தகராறு இருக்க உனக்கு, என்ன செக் பண்ணிக்கோ, கீழ்பாக்க ஹாஸ்பிட்டலுக்கு போய் என்ன ஒன்றும் நடக்காதம்மா, அந்த மாதிரி எல்லாம் எதிர்பார்க்காதுங்கோ. ஓகே, ஓன்லி Jnani alone knows he is a Jnani. That's all. There is no other way. You only know when you get Jnana. But the people are struggling. People have to recognize me as I am a Jnani. இது ஒரு தகராறு. இவனுக்கு ஞானியும் கிடையாது. பீப்புள் எப்படி புரிஞ்சுக்க முடியும்? அவனுக்கு ஞானம் இருந்தால் தான் இவனுக்கு புரிஞ்சுக்க முடியும். ஒழுங்கா டீச் பண்ணாமல என்ன பண்றது தெரியுமோ? They want get recognition. Everyone should recognize me as a gnani and should respect me as a gnani. Why they have to respect you if you are a gnani? Tell me. Why they have to respect actually? That means you have not attained gnanam and ardham. The real gnani never expect. He never say I am a gnani also. In finally Shankaracharya says even I am a gnani notion is also a ahankara. Parungo. Even I am a gnani notion is ahankara. That is also a great obstacle. That is a real gnani is very humble, simple, but full of humility. He never think that I have achieved something, I have attained gnanam anu nenakave maata. Odunga shastram padicha. If he studies shastra properly, he never desired for name, fame. He never desired for anything, even for students also. Vanda varatum varatalum okay. Never bother. That's why real gnani is very difficult to find. Very difficult. Because they never have any show. I will tell you. Real gnani can never have a show. Because he never worked for show. Because he knows why he has to work for show. All ajnanis alone work for show. Be careful and ardham. Next shloka. Brahmananda nidhir mahabalavam. Oh, I have to change the tune. ब्रह्मानंद निधिर महाबलवताम अहंकार घोराहिनाम संवेष्ट्यात्मनिरक्ष्यते गुणमयैः चण्डैस्त्रिभिर्मस्तकैः विज्ञानाख्यमहासिना श्रुतिमता विच्छिद्य शीर्षत्रयम् निर्मूल्याहिमिमं निधिं सुखकरम् धीरोऽनुभोक्तुं क्षमः Now Shankaracharya giving a nice example with a Rupaka Alankara from 302 to 310, how to eliminate this ahankara. He has described what is ahankara. Now he is giving a technique, a method, how you have to destroy. Destroy means inverted commas. Don't take totally destroyed. Making insignificant, not disturbing much. That is what insignificant means. It cannot upset me. Brahmananda it's compared to a treasure here. Brahmananda Nidhi. This Brahma, Aham Brahmasmi Jnanam, that which gives Ananda, Brahmananda, is like a treasure. It is a Nidhi. There is a mythological expressions also. Now you go to Pauranika pictures and all, that the whole treasure is protected by, covered, coiled. The treasure is inside. The big snake is, surrounding, sitting, nearby. Have you seen that type of picture? Nalla treasure irukkum. So no one can go near to that. That Nidhi is there. Diamonds, vajrams, all lot of Nidhi. Like this, he says here, this treasure is protected by a poisonous snake. Protected என்னமோ தெரியல சார் protected anu vechikrom. So it is not allowing the people to come nearby. So protecting by what snake? Not ordinary snake, vishapambu, poisonous snake. Ahankara ghora ahina. What is that snake here? Ahi means palm, snake. Ahina means by the snake. What is that snake? Ghora ahina. Terrible, பயங்கரமான பாம்பு. என்னப்பா அந்த பயங்கரமான பாம்புன்னு ஸ்னேக் பார்க்கில் கிடையாது, நீ உன்னுடைய அகங்காரமே அந்த பாம்புன்னு சொல்றது சாஸ்திரம். பாருங்க, யுவர் ஓன் அகங்கார, அகங்கார கோர அஹினா. By your own ahankara, terrible ahankara. This ahankara which creates problems in the family, in the society. That's why it is called bhayankaram. This ahankara is the one which is keeping the Brahmananda in the middle and covering. Ahankara ghora ahina. Nice picturization. So Brahmananda Nidhi, Nidhi means treasure. Mahabalavata, a very strong, powerful snake. Anadi Janma Vasanaya, Ahankara is coming, Mahabalavata. Very, very strong, very powerful, Mahabalavata. Samveshtya Atmani Rakshyate. Samveshtya means it is encircled. Samveksha means encircled. Coiled. Coiled what? This Ahankara. Atmani. Brahma Atmani. Jiva Atmani. In the Atmate, Rakshyate. It is protecting. Rakshyate means as though. Rakshyate means what? As though. It is keeping inside. It is not allowing no Guru Shastra to come nearby. Upanishad Gita, hey, pohade, 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 Japinda. No Pandadi Brahma, the Brahmatmani and the Jivatmani in the Ahankara and the protect Pandada. They get a poham. So then Gunamayehi, Chendaihi, Tribihi, Mastakaihi. What type of Ahankara is this? This Pamake, Mood Tala irke. Gunamayehi, Sattva Rajas Tamo Gunatmika, Maya, Sthula, Sukshma, Karana, Sharira, 3 heads, 3 hoods. No. Sthula Sharira, hood, I am the body. Height, weight, color, complexion, ennama pandra paarunga. Then mind, Sukshma Shariram, that Tadatmyam, another head. Because these 3 gunas only cause for these 3 sharirams. Tamo guna is cause for the Sthula Shariram. Rajo guna is cause for the Sukshma Shariram. And Sattva guna is cause for the Karana Shariram. So these 3 gunas put together, mixed, we can take mixed, டுகெதர். அதுதான் குண மயைஹி சண்டைஹி ஸ்திரிபிர் மஸ்தகைஹி. சண்டம் மீன்ஸ் வாட்? டெரிபிள். சண்டைஹி மீன்ஸ் வாட்? இட் இஸ் வெரி வெரி டிஃபிகல்ட், பவர்ஃபுல் అని అర్థం. చండైహి. మస్తకైహి మీన్స్ బై 3 heads. త్రిభిహి మస్తకైహి, బై ద 3 heads which are made up of sattva, rajas, tamo guna. Vijnana, how to destroy this ahankara, how to get the treasure, Brahmananda treasure. எவ்வளோ சம்பாதிச்சாலும் கூட அப்படியே கேஸ்ட்ராயில் ஃபேஸ் வச்சுட்டே இருக்கேன். ஏன்னா நிஜமான ட்ரெஷர் கிடைக்கலையே. இந்த ஆயசை பெட்டி 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 இவ்வளோ பணம் சம்பாதிச்சு டென்ஷனும் ப்ரெஷரும், ஒரே கவலை சுவாமினி. ஏன் என்ன நிறைய பணம் இருக்க என்ன பண்ணுறது தெரியல. என்ன டு whom I have to give, whom I have to trust, which trust I can give. Trust I cannot trust. No trust I can trust. So இந்த பிரம்மானந்த ட்ரெஷர் விட்டுட்டான். இந்த லோக்கல் ட்ரெஷர் எல்லாம் சம்பாதிச்சு இருக்கிற சாந்தி கூட போயிடுது. என்ன ஸோ பிரம்மானந்தன் ட்ரெஷர் எப்படி வரும்னா, இஸ் டெல்லிங் ஃப்ரம் த 3rd line டெக்னிக் ஹவு டு டெஸ்ட்ராய் திஸ் ஸ்னேக். அகங்கார மகா சர்ப்பம் ஹவு டு டெஸ்ட்ராய். விஜ்ஞானாக்கிய மகாசீனா ஸ்ருதிமதா விச்சித்ய சீர்ஷத்ரயம். சீர்ஷத்ரயம் மீன்ஸ் 3 heads. சீர்ஷம் மீன்ஸ் ஹெட், 3 மீன்ஸ் 3, திரயம் என்ன 3 தலை. என்னது? ஸ்தூல சரீரம், சூக்ஷ்ம சரீரம், காரண சரீரம். விச்சித்யா, having destroyed. How can you destroy the snake? By sword. By a sharp sword you can destroy. This ahankara is not like an ordinary rose, snake to destroy with ordinary sword. Shastra says, for this snake ahankara, you have to use a separate sword, that is vijnanam. Vijnanam and sword you have to use. Knowledge. Where can I get that sword? You cannot get in காய்கறி கடையில் கிடைக்காது இல்லையா? ஸ்வோர்டுன்னு எங்கே கிடைக்கும்? தங்க மாளிகையில் கிடைக்குமா? காய்கறி ஷாப்பில் கிடைக்குமா? கிளாத் ஷோரூமில் கிடைக்குமா? அந்த ஸ்வோர்டு கிடைக்கிற ஷாப்புக்கு போய் தான் அது யூ ஹாவ் டு பை. அதே மாதிரி டு டெஸ்ட்ராய் திஸ் அகங்காரா, if you go to the temple pilgrimages, doing japa, nama japa, lot of dhanam, lot of doing this and that and all, sadhana, meditation, pranayama, adi idu panna in the destroy panna mudiyuma in the ahankarathai. What Shankaracharya says, see, shruti mata maha asina, you have to take the support of shruti. You have to take the support of Shruti. Music season kada అని చెప్పి మోహన్ రాగంను హిందోళ రాగం పాడుతూ ఉకారిందన్నా என்ன? Can you destroy this maha ahankara? These are all LKG UKG lessons. அதெல்லாம் தாண்டி வரணும். மகா வாக்கியத்துக்கு வரணும்னா you have to cross all these music seasons. எல்லா சீசன்ஸ் தாண்டி வரணும். Still people are sitting in seasons only. What we can do? வெரி அட்ராக்டிவ். இங்கே என்ன சும்மா சுவாமினி செப்புன்னு இருக்கும் கிளாஸ்ன்னு சொல்லுவான். அங்கே போனால் பழபழா லைட்டு ஈட்டு அந்த சிங்கரே நல்ல டெக்கரேஷனாக வருவான். அழகான பட்டு சாரி இதெல்லாம் பண்ணி மேக்கப் கேக்கப் போட்டு இங்கே போனால் சுவாமின்னு பார்த்தா இப்படியெல்லாம் இருக்கும். ஸோ இந்த மகா ஆசியில் அங்கே கிடைக்குமா என்ன? அதுக்கு தான் ஸ்ருதி மாதான்னாரு. Only Shruti. By the Shruti alone. Maha, that means Shravana Manana Nididhyasana Dwara Guru Vakyena Eva. We have to supply all those things. Nane padikren ani sollakudadu. I have to go to a teacher and study thoroughly until I get firm knowledge. Shruti Mata vichidya, having destroyed with the Shastra's help, Mahavakya Shravanena anartham. Mahavakya Shravana எப்போ புரியும்? பாகத்யாக லட்சணம்லாம் எப்போ புரியும்? எத்தனை உபனிஷத்து படிக்கணும்? ஸோ நாட் ஜோக். சாஸ்திரம் படிக்கிறதுன்னா நல்ல பொறுமை வேணும். அதுக்கு டைம் ஹாவ் டு ஸ்பெண்ட். குவாலிட்டி டைம் இஸ் ரிக்வயர்டு, குவாலிட்டி மைண்ட் இஸ் ரிக்வயர்டு, ஸ்ரத்தா இஸ் ரிக்வயர்டு, எனர்ஜி இஸ் ரிக்வயர்டு. It is primary, predominant. My priority is only for Shastra. All other things are secondary. For such a person only it is possible. Chimnoyananda Swami used to say one story, it seems. In that, I told once again, I remind here. One Raja, he has no issues, power. So he want to bring another king on that kingdom. So what he did, he announced. One day he announced, see, whoever come, I will stay in one place. Whoever come and find out me first, he will become the Raja of this kingdom. He will become the Raja of this kingdom. Then everybody is so happy. Sitting one place, and he arranged a lot of this Santa, that people all will come, exhibition madri. இந்த ஆல் எக்ஸிபிஷன் எல்லாம் என்ன கிடைக்கும்? மிரவகாய் பஜ்ஜி கூட கிடைக்கும் அங்கே எல்லாமே. ஏன்னா இதெல்லாம் ட்ரெஸ்ஸு, இஸ்ஸு, ஆர்னமெண்ட்ஸு எல்லாமே இருக்கும் இல்லையோ. ஆல் யூ கேன் பிளே வென் யூ கோ டு திஸ் விஜிபி லைக் பிளேஸ் மேட்டா. ஸோ ஹி அரேஞ்ச்டு ஸோ மெனி திங்ஸ், அட்ராக்ஷன்ஸ், அண்ட் எவ்ரிபடி is trying to see that Raja, finding out எங்கே இருக்கார். They are gone searching. And while searching, people, one person gone to தோசை, அந்த பக்கம் தோசை பண்ணுறான், அங்கே போய் சாப்பிட்றான். ராஜன் அப்புறம் பார்க்கலாம்னு சொல்லி he is searching. Another person went to another entertainment. Another person gone to another entertainment. இன்னும் நிறைய டைம் இருக்கா, ராஜன் அப்புறம் பார்க்கலாம், I can find out. Everybody is involved in that, this and that. One pakka dance is going on, one person went to dance. Another pakka music season is going on, music event. Another person is gone to another cinema. Another person gone to see the TV is going on. So many things, disco games and all going on. Clubs also, local clubs are also there. People are all busy and they are all forgotten what purpose we have come. And one person, he is searching and he is gone to a temple, inside the temple. Then he saw inside, he went to the Garbhagriha. And the Garbhagriha ulla keela Raja ukkandirukkaru. This person even didn't turn this side or that side when he started his journey to find out the Raja. No other avigation, no, he is not spending any time, even single minute for any entertainment. I don't want all these things. My job is to find out the Raja first. That's all. No dosai, no idli, no cinema, no music season, no dance, nothing. No marriage functions, no receptions also. This person is totally involved in searching that Raja. And inside he went, found out the Raja first. Then the Raja said, yes, you are the king next to this kingdom. He sacrificed all his pleasures while even though they are around, he sacrificed. I don't want my job, what purpose I have come here? Not to enjoy the dosha, not to enjoy music or dance, not to enjoy the giant wheel. Ukkandi suttinde irukka orthan. No, not for that. I have come here to find out the Raja. He became a king. What king? Adhishtanam Brahma Ahamasmi. Inga nama Vedantathila. Shastram is sitting there, Guru is sitting there inside. Hey, go and search for that. That Guru makes you are the Brahman. You are the Adhishtanam of this whole Jagat. And Guru Sholaparar. Mayeva Sakalam Jatam, Mai Sarvam Pratishthatam and Cholla Vendiya Time varavendamo. So you have to go to the Guru and study Shastra. This is a story. Chinmayananda used to say, it seems. So Vijnanakhya. Akhya means a name. Asi means the sword is called Vijnanam, and a sword. Asina Shruti Mata, through the Shruti, with the help of Shruti, not by meditation. Vichidya Shirshatrayam, ante falsify the three bodies. Falsify these three bodies. Sthula, Sukshma, Karana, Shariram. Nirmulya Ahi. No, in the Ahankaram Pambai, Nirmulya, having destroyed. Nirmulanam. Destroying that snake. Imam Nidhi, this treasure. This treasure means what? This Atma Swarupam, which is in you, that you are. Imam Nidhim. What Nidhi? What it gives? Sukhakaram. That which gives happiness, Ananda, Santosha, Sukhakaram. Who will get that? Dhiraha anubhoktum kshamaha. Not all people. Kshamaha means deserve for samardhaha ityarthaha. Kshamaha means deserved. Samarthaha, capable. Anubhoktum, to enjoy, to entertain, to own up that nidhi, that which gives sukham. Who is dhiraha? Not enamored by these relations, not enamored by the job, profession, money, not enamored by any possessions, not enamored by any name or fame, not enamored, not enamored and never lose sight of. He is called dhiraha. In spite of all these pleasures and pains, doesn't matter. Who can stop me to own up this Aham Brahmasmi? Because that is my real nature. Who can stop? Even Bhagavan cannot stop. That much dhiraha, that person. Shraddhavan labhate jnanam. That's why people all will postpone. Swamini, 300 dana, innu 200 padikalam. Eppo. Like this, go on postponing the classes, becoming irregular, not studying properly, not doing nididhyasanam, because all the relations are overpowering. They are coming and dominating. Pavam Swamini. Now you tell me. Pavam Swaminiya, Pavam Nananu sollanu. You have to, a person has to pity of oneself, not Swamini. Swamini can, the teacher is Muktaha. They are not going to lose anything. If I go to class or not, doesn't matter for her, for this Guru. I am only the loser. If I don't go to class, attend the class, I am only the loser. Every kshanam, dinayaminyau sayam pratah sishira vasantau punarayatah. Every kshanam is going means I am going near to the mrityu. How can I miss this opportunity? Every attraction is only trapping you. To trap you, they are attractions. Every responsibility, in the form of responsibilities, in the form of relations, they are all pulling. So, anubhoktum, you can enjoy the PHS. Who can enjoy the PHS? Dhiraha, kshamaha. So, you have to say yourself, I am dhiraha. Nana Swamini, and the dhiran yaro na. In Tyagaraja, one song he sings, na? Sogasuga mridanga talamu sokka jayu dhirudevvado annadu. And the dhirudana I am supplying to Vedanta now. Dhiraha means what? Sogasuga mridanga talam. What is mridanga talam? The life itself is a talam. And the rhythm. Go along with the rhythm of the Lord. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ శ్లోక. ఇది కూడా విషమ వృత్తం. జస్ట్ ఐ రీడ్ లైక్ ఉపనిషత్ మంత్ర. యావద్వా యుక్తిశ్చిద్విషయ విషదోషః యావద్వా యుక్తిశ్చిద్ విషయ యత్కించిత్ యావద్వా యత్కించిద్ విషదోషః స్ఫూర్తిరస్తి చేద్ దేహే కథమారోగ్యాయ భవేత్ తద్వత్ అహంతాపి యోగినః ముక్త్యై యావత్వా as long as యత్ కించిత్ యావద్వా విషదోష Vishadosha means the poison in the body. No? Vishajvaram anchulu alliya, Vishajvaram. The toxins, all these bacteria are all called Visham in the body. This is called Vishajvaram, Vishadosha. As long as Vishadosha is there in the body, yatkinchit, even little bit, Vishadoshaha स्फूर्तिरस्ति चेत देहे देहे स्फूर्ति ही अस्ति चेत in this deha that vishadosha is there in this body katham arogyaya bhavet how this person can get arogyam health. As long as the visham, dosham is there inside, toxins are there, how this person can get the health? So he is always a sick person only. Similarly, tadvat ahantapi yoginaha muktyai. Even same way, similarly, yoginaha muktyai, for mukti, how is it possible as long as there is ahankara visham in the mind of the person? Ahankara, mamakara, bhavana. So therefore you have to carefully understand, without ahankara how can we survive Swamini and Kekadingo? நான் சொன்னான்னு அகங்காரம் என்ன ஃபங்க்ஷனல் அகங்காரம் யூ கேன் கீப் பட் சிக்னிஃபிகண்ட் டாமினன்ட் அகங்கார எலிமினேட். ஸோ முக்தியை யோகினः அஹந்தாபி கதம் பவதி. For a person who is having ahankara, likes and dislike, நான் ஒரே அகங்காரம் பொறாமை பொறுத்துக்கவே முடியாது. நோ அகாமடேஷன், நோ அட்ஜஸ்ட்மெண்ட். He cannot withstand with the people, he cannot withstand the society, he cannot withstand with anything. Troublesome person, ahanta. For such a person, mukti, is it possible? அது விஷம். எப்படி ஒருத்தனுக்கு இந்த பாடியில் அந்த விஷம் இருக்கிற வரைக்கும் ஆரோக்கியமே வராதோ, இந்த மனசுல அகங்காரம் விஷம் இருக்கிற வரைக்கும் இந்த அகம் முக்தஹா அந்த ஞானம் வரவே வராது. எப்படி வரும்? இம்பாசிபிள். ஏன் முக்தி வரலன்னா அகங்காரம் போலன்னு அர்த்தம். புரியுறதா? ஏன் அகங்காரம் போலன்னா Arishad Vargas are there. Dehabhimana is there. Yen irukkenna. Shastram padikala. Padichinde irukkenna. Odunga padikala enna. Next shloka. 304. This is also like a prose. Ahamotyanta nivrityam tat kritanana vikalpa samhrityam pratyak tattva vivekadidamaham Nidamaham asmiti vindate tattvam ahamaha ahamaha means ahankara, of this ahankara anartham. Shashti Bhakti, 6th case. Ahamaha atyanta nivritya. Nivritya means going away from anartham. Nivritya, withdrawing from this ahankara. That's why develop humility anartham. Adakkama iru. Irunda koncham ahankaram povum. எனக்கு எல்லாமே தெரியும், நான் சொன்னதை எல்லாரும் கேட்கணும் அந்த மாதிரி இருக்கக்கூடாது. மேபி he also may write, just listen, don't negate other person all the time. விதண்டவாதம் பண்ணாதே என்னார். சாஸ்திரம் ஒழுங்க நமக்கு புரியணும்னா ஃபர்ஸ்ட் என்ன பண்ணணும் தெரியுமா? வினயம் கற்றுக்கணும். வினயம், அந்த வினயம் இருக்கிறவனுக்கே தான் இந்த சாஸ்திரம் will work. அந்த வினயம் வரத்துக்கே நமக்கு ஒரு கோர்ஸ் முடிக்க வேண்டியது ஆகும். என்னென்னா எல்லாம் பேக்டோர் என்ட்ரி. சின்ன வயசுலேருந்து நல்ல அடக்கமாக பழகி சின்ன வினயமாக வந்தால் பரவாயில்ல. இப்போ எங்கே வினயம்? நவேடேஸ் என்ன பணம், லாட் ஆஃப் மணி. ஸோ தட்ஸ் வை வினயம் we have to teach children. One day or other they will get shreyas. வினயம் இல்லைன்னா ரொம்ப கஷ்டம். ஸோ அகமஹா அத்தியந்த நிவృత్యా, டோட்டலி. அத்தியந்த மீன்ஸ் டோட்டலி. ஹவு, what is totally negation eliminating means tat krita nana vidha kalpa samhritya. By eliminating that vikalpas, lot of vikalpas. Vikalpas means varieties of problems. Tatkrita means ahankara krita. That ahankara because of which all these problems are created. And guilt, hurt, depression, frustration, anxiety. Solanama list podum. So all these because of nana vidha. Anytime people are not loving me, they are neglecting me, they are not taking care of me, podum. This is enough to trouble us. Nana vidhalla oru vidham idu. Inikku oru problem, tomorrow hurt, day after tomorrow guilt, next day, third day another hurt, another guilt, some other days depression, some other days frustration, some other time domination. Enna nama life idudha ஓடிண்டு இருக்கேன்னா, is this a life? And insecurity problem. All this nana vidhana, varieties of nartham. Tatkrita ahankara krita, made up of what? Ahankara. All nirmulya, atyanta nivritya. Nivritya means having eliminated all of them which are all troubling. That's why all to remove all this first, I have to continuously study Shastra under the guidance of Guru, Every statement of Guru is only to snap my this Nana Vida Ahankara. Oru vidhama? Oru varshama? Yetna varshama agumo theriyadu. So what I have to surrender in front of Guru. என்னென்ன அகங்காரம் எப்பப்போ வெளியில் வரப்போறதோ தெரியல, எனக்கே தெரியாது என்ன இருக்க வாசனா ரூபத்தில். ஹே குரு, ரிமூவ் ஆல் மை அகங்காரா. அப்படிதான் சரண்டர் ஆகணும் குருவுக்கு. ஆனாதான் அகங்காரம் போகும். அந்த அகங்காரம் போனாதான் அந்த குரு சொல்ற வாக்கியம் நமக்கு முள்ள ஒழுங்கா புரியும். That's why every time we have to appeal in front of the Guru. Not all Gurus I am telling. From whom we are studying Shastra especially, that Guru we have to trust and we have to ask, am I going anywhere wrong? Please correct me. Am I going anywhere wrong? Please correct me. அடிக்கடி சொல்லிண்டே இருக்கணும். அப்போதான் அவருக்கு லைன் கிளியரா இருக்கும். இவனை தயாரா இருக்கானா என்னன்னு எப்படி தெரியும்? After 2 years, after 3 years, 5 years, 6 years, 10 years also I have to ask, am I in right path? Please correct me. I am always ready to be corrected by you, oh my Guru. And சொல்லணும். நான் அப்படிதான் கேட்டுட்டே இருப்பேன் சுவாமிஜி கிட்ட போய். I ask till today, I ask like that. எனக்கு அப்படி கேட்டாதான் எனக்கு திருப்தியா இருக்கும். So the Guru only knows where all places, which area we have. It's not so easy to establish in that nishtha. Even though we establish also, still we have to show that is always, I am at your command. I am at your command. அதுதான் குரு பக்தி. என்ன அப்படின்னு சொல்லலை, எனக்கு குரு பக்தி இருக்குன்னு சொல்லலை, என்ன மேலே கூட குரு பக்தி இருக்கவங்க எத்தனையோ பேர் இருக்காங்க, நிறைய பேர் இருக்காங்க. So Guru Bhaktina, you have to see such people. In front of them I am nothing. If you see great Acharyas, their Guru Bhakti is tremendous. They Guru Bhakti irunda jnana vandida ahana. So they are all exemplaries in front of us. So we have to develop that. Okay, I have diverted my topic. No. Pratyak Tattva Vivekadi. Idam aham asmiti. Pratyak tattva. Pratyak means Atma. Tattva means real nature. Aham asmi iti tattvam vindate. Once he removes that ahankara, he will attain that tattvam. Vindate means he attains tattvam, real nature. What is that? Aham asmi iti. I am. Brahma asti is not the question. Brahma asmi. Brahman is there, but it's called Brahma asti. Paroksha jnana. Brahma asmi. That is called Pratyak Tattvam. Pratyak means your own nature. Atman, nature. How it comes? Vivekadidam. That which born out of Viveka. Discrimination. Next shloka. Ahankare kartaryahmiti mattim. Ahankare kartaryahmiti mattim. Munche sahasa. Munche sahasa. Vikaratmanyatma. Prati. Vikaratmanyatma. Pratifalajushim Swastiti Mrushim Swastiti Mushishim Yadadhyasat Praptam जनि मृति जरा दुःख बहुला प्रतीचिष्टि चन्मूर्ति मूर्तेः प्रतीचिन्मूर्तेः तव सुखतनोः तव सुखतनो संश्रुतिरयं संश्रुतिरियं. So different meters. Okay. Aham iti matim munche. Aham iti means I am this body. Aham iti. Matim means that thought. Give up the I notion. Aham means I. Mati means notion. Muncha means give up. Give up the notion. Give up the aham iti matim, I notion. In what? Ahankare kartari. Ahankare kartari means chidabhasa, reflected consciousness. Ahankara means sukshma shariram. Sukshma shariram means RC. RM and RC. In RM, RC? Reflected medium and reflected consciousness. RM, RC. Ahankare kartari. Shariram and sthula shariram. Sukshma shariram. Ahankare kartari. You have to give up the I notion. I notion you have to give up. When? Not after 1 year, 2 years. Sahasa. Immediately in Viveka Chudamani class itself you give up. Sahasa. Immediately, instantaneously. In artha. This is the Hetu Garbha Visheshana ni solluva. Sahasa. You have to give up. That's what the people say. Dussangaha sarvada tyajaha. He is a bad person. Friendship is bad. He is a very bad person. Give up friendship. How can I give up, Swamini? Slowly I will give up. After knowing this Tirida Payan and Terinjana creating problems, I will think of keeping Muhurtam for that to give up that friendship. Like hot potato kaila vechittu think pandrala. Hot potato kaila enna பண்ணுவேன்? கையில வெச்சு பல ஹாட் பொட்டேட்டோ டிராப் பண்ணுவேன். படால கையில போடுவோம். அது மாதிரி இந்த அகங்காரம் கூட அப்படி படால டிராப் பண்ணணும். வீட்டுக்கு போன உடனே அகங்காரம் கோட்டு வந்துடும். இன்சிக்னிஃபிகண்ட் அகங்காரம் போட்டுக்கோங்க. வேண்டான்னு சொல்லலை. சிக்னிஃபிகண்ட் அகங்காரம் போட்டுக்காதுங்க. ஓகே. சஹசா விகாராத்மனி ஆத்ம பிரதிபல ஜுஷீன். What is this ahankara? What is its nature? Anna? Vikare atmani. It is of a changing nature. Vikara atmani. What is this ahankara? Is always changing. RC is always changing. Asal where enginda vandadappa in RC anna. Pratifala jushi. Taken, borrowed the pratibimba chaitanyam. This ahankara is Pratibimba Chaitanya. Borrowed the Pratibimba from where? Bimba Chaitanya. The original. And taken Kadanu Vangi Marandita. Kutadi Velayadra. Yarana in the Hankara. Every Tapu Pratiphala Jushana, Pratibimba Chaitanyam and Artham. Pratiphalama. Pratibimba Chaitanyam, Atma Pratiphalam, Atma Pratibimba Chaitanyam, Pratiphalam Jushi. Jushi means endowed with. Praptva, having got the reflected consciousness from this original Chaitanyam, this Ahankara, what it is doing? Such Ahankara, Swasthiti Mushi. Swasmin Sthiti, being stolen. Mushi means stolen. That's the Tirida Payanan Jonna. Having stolen the Pratibimba Chaitanyam, taken the Chaitanyam from OC, and what it is doing, having taken this, and Swasmin Sthiti, Adunuடைய original nature காணாமலே பண்றது இந்த அகங்காரம். தெரிஞ்சுக்க முடியாமலே பண்றது. கடன் வாங்கி நன்றி கட்டவன் மாதிரி இந்த அகங்காரம், இன்கிராட்டிடியூட் அகங்காரம். More in the next class. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om